If you have a lot of clothes to get dropped off, I'm going to show you the best place in Houston. It's called Mr. Clean Washington. This is located here off Business 1968 and Wilson Road. So my wife and I, we dropped off 115 pounds at 85 cents a pound. That's pretty good. And she says she can get it to us the next day, and she was spot on. She called us before the end of the day. We dropped it off that morning, and by 5 o'clock she had called us and told us it was ready. But we came and picked it up the next day. But I was really impressed by what they did. They folded all the clothes real neat and the fabric softener, and they hung up all my wife's stuff. And all 115 pounds belong to my wife. None of these are my clothes. As you can see, all these dresses, they hung them up all on hangers, and they folded everything neatly and organized it by shirts and socks and everything. As you can see, it looked like they pressed everything with an iron. This is awesome. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.